I'm Heather MacLean, Marketing Manager for The Alley. At The Alley, we provide our guests with a unique entertainment experience. So we have 14 lanes of high-tech glow bowling and a full bar and restaurant. We use digital signage to keep our guests informed about upcoming events, daily features, and specials, and we found it's been a very effective tool to keep people coming back. We also host a lot of corporate events, and our clients love seeing their logo and branding up on our digital screens. Being a very busy venue, we love how easy it is to use ScreenScape technology, and anyone can do it regardless of if they're on site or not. For us, digital signage has been an essential selling tool. We use it every day to lift sales, and if we forget to post a daily feature, we definitely feel that at the till.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on social media or check out our website at screenscape.com.